I'm Amin from TNTQ team, and yeah, we do attend wellness sometime. And it's not about wellness, but I wanted to take part in this program because this was the first time when Cenex was organizing anything which was not copying Accenture and Wipro. मेरा मानना है कॉपी करना है हायरिंग में करो यार ग्राउंड फ्लोर और थर्ड फ्लोर पर जाकर लंच डिनर नहीं करना पड़ेगा
We will soon move you to hiring, don't worry.
Thank you for the assurance. Okay. So, but you know, I was searching for when I got to know that this is something Cenex is organizing, I wanted to take part, and I was preparing what should I read, what should I write, what should I prepare for it. But I gave a second thought. I thought let's go the way we go in client calls. Completely unprepared. But you guys don't have an option of embarrassing me because I don't have a slide. You don't have an option of cross-questioning me, so it's okay. It's okay. So basically, I am from Lucknow, capital of UP. I have our own personal Vin Diesel. People who did not understand, I didn't understand being Ali Bachchan. It's difficult to understand intelligent jokes. Okay. Okay, so I am from UP, and when I take a leave, I am scared of going to UP. Okay, हमसे ऑटो वाला जोर से पूछता कहाँ जाना है, हम बोल देते मेरा नाम अमीन ही अमरेंद्र है. Okay, but I am from UP. Okay, don't imagine me with a gun and katta those things. I am from UP. I am not from Bihar. Okay. Okay, any Biharis in the house? Okay, don't feel bad. You are lucky that you are not from Odisha. if you think, just ask Tarvira how it is difficult, how it is so difficult to be someone from Odisha. So I moved from north to south. The biggest challenge for me was language. For me, the biggest challenge was the language. The things which were normal here, they were abusing words there. Once I was going in my cafeteria and somebody called me Randy. I was like, bro, I cannot be, it's grammatically wrong. Change your taste first of all. So that language issue happened so much that once my friend called me that there is a function in Oracle. Do you want to come? It's about a food stall and you have to sell stuff. I said free का खाना मिलेगा? कहता हाँ मेरा चल रहा है चल कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So there was a guy next to me. He was selling food in next stall, and I had to sell from my stall, but nobody was coming in my stall. So he said copy him what he's doing. What he was doing, he picked up the mic and he said, Randy. I'm not. But I am lucky that then I thought, okay, there's some issue with the South language, so I thought of making few Hyderabadi friends. Okay, there's one of my friend Rahman, and his every discussion starts with Mandi and ends with Katha Ka Gosh. Trust me, you tell him that I went to some hospital to see my family member, they are admitted and they are about to die, they are very serious situation. He will like take a U-turn from that hospital, there is a Mandi house. मतलब उससे मतलब कि दुनिया में कोई मर रहा है, Mandi अच्छी है कि नहीं? But I'm lucky that I came to Hyderabad and I got a job. How many have a first job here? Cheer up. I am lucky. I am also my first job. I'm lucky I joined Cenex. Okay, everybody is lucky. Okay. So the moment I got the job, and the first thing I realized that I have to take a promotion here. You know why? Because I realized when you get promoted, your package get improved, and आपका काम खत्म हो जाता है, सिर्फ mail forwarding बचती है. Adding a meme. Please look into this. उनको नहीं देखना होता है. Okay, so but the very interesting thing about the emails is that when you're seeing the two dungles over an email and you are CC'd. Okay, Doesn't matter how serious fight it is, the mail will start with Dear Amin. 4-5 गालियां, one team, one concentrics, thanks and regards. तूने पिज्जा ऑर्डर, तूने बर्गर ऑर्डर किया, उसने 2 ब्रेड लगाया, बीच में बैगन का भरता डाल के पेल लिया. But there are very common words you see in emails, you know. Have you ever seen as discussed over email?
Yes.
As discussed का इतना ही मतलब होता है, कल को आगे कोई बसाड़ हो जाए तो हम अकेले नहीं, तुम सब साथ में थे. And one more gentle reminder. जेंटल रिमाइंडर में जेंटल की कोई औकात नहीं होती है. जेंटल की उतनी औकात होती है जितनी कांग्रेस में राहुल गांधी की है. And there are people, they don't want to share the data with you, but when you ask, they type for 10 minutes and they write no idea. Sometimes I doubt on CNA's hiring team. When you take 10 minutes to write no idea, how you got hired? No offense. No offense. But you know, when I came here, this was my first job. And I was like, you know, when I had my first one-on-one session, I became so touched with my manager. Like he was asking so many things about my personal life, like from where you belong and how many people are in their family. He was so emotional and he was so touchy. I was like, bro, मेरे पिताजी भी इतने touchy नहीं हैं. But then I cracked. First one-on-one, same. Second one-on-one, same. Third, same. Bro, you are doing great. I'm expecting little more from you. I know you have a caliber, but I'm expecting little more from you. भाई तू इतना क्या expect करा? बच्चा पैदा कर दूँ? But after one-on-one sessions, I realized that I have a very good bonding with the manager. But one day I asked for a leave. भाई corporate world में leave manager की बेटी का नाम है. leave बोलेगा ना, वो बोलेगा कि तुम्हारी बेटी का नाम ऐसे कैसे दे? कोई नहीं, हम आए बता के जाएंगे कैसे leave लेनी है. देखो, use always 3 words. Unavoidable, personal, circumstances. क्यों चाहिए leave? It's unavoidable. It's unavoidable. I have to go. I have to be there. Why? It's my personal. I cannot tell you. Can you go after GS week? No, it's a circumstance that I have to be there. Combine all 3 and write over an email. You will get the leave.
प्रदीप सुन लेना.
RTS board.
सुन लिया.
But the good thing is, about the, when you write resignation, what actually happens? Your TL will call you and he'll try to motivate you so much that you should stay here. Let's say you went in and he's like, bro, why you are leaving? This company has a bright future. CNX has a bright future. Why you are leaving? So, and I have seen you from day 1 to till now. I have seen you growing. Why you want to leave? But somehow you have made up your mind and that you have to go. You have to go. The moment you will open the door and you will step out, he will call you back. हमें समझा रहा है? Offering हो तो बताना. But I have a huge respect for HRs, you know. उनको मतलब नहीं दुनिया में डिमोनेटाइजेशन हो रहा है, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक है. उनकी ओनली टेंशन इज ये जो जनता सामने बैठी है इनको कल कौन सा रंग में देखना है. इंडियन क्या जाओ, ग्रीन पहन के आ जाओ. अब बोर हो गए तो क्रिसमस में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पहनना है. That being my said, you have been a great audience. Thank you.